G'day guys, Greg here. Now, here I am today at Domino's Pizza. They got a brand new pizza out called The Lot. So I'm going to whip inside, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go get one. Alright, well here we go. The Lot Pizza. $12 I paid for this. Although there's also a $19 version, so I don't know what the difference is. But, well, it might be the size of it. But it's got some weight. I've got the scales. Let's see what it weighs. All right, well, this is showing 718 grams. Minus the box, that's probably about a 700 gram feed. Whoa! Dudes! That's massive!
That's what she said.
Can't wait to see what it looks like. So, let's see what it looks like. Oh, yes! Oh, mate! I'm excited! Here we go. Da 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 da. Whoa! Gee! That's got a lot of toppings. That's probably why they call it The Lot. Now, the Lot Pizza is supposed to be their most top pizza yet. Ground beef, crispy rasher bacon, capsicum, pepperoni, Italian sausage, chicken, smoked leg ham, pineapple, onions, olives topped with oregano and chili, then drizzled with garlic butter. Mate! How good's that? This has got to be one of the best looking Domino's pizzas I might have ever seen. Can't believe it's got all these toppings, and it's the proper size too. It's not a tiny little one. I don't know how big the $19 one is, but mate, for $12, mate, this thing's massive. All right, let's go. Ooh. All right. Yeah. That's got a little bit of the chili flakes on there then, and added a nice little touch to this. Not really getting the garlic butter yet, but I might. Wait, this has got all the toppings on a pizza that I would just love to order, but I never do because it's going to cost you about $45, isn't it? But, mate, $12 and you're getting all these toppings. I'm dumbfounded. The only thing it's missing is some anchovies, and I could have got that for an extra $2.50 or something. But, man, this pizza is tasting good so far. Oh, it tasted like they put lots of sauce on this one too. So every bite is a nice saucy, juicy bite of pizza. And with all these toppings, oh mate, your mouth isn't going without today, that's for sure. And that classic crust is so good. It's got a really nice crunchiness and chewiness about it. It's a little bit soggy underneath. Or that could be oil, but no, I don't care, mate, because it's tasting real good. Finally. Something decent from Domino's. But I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $12. This has got to be one of the best value pizzas, if not fast foods, going around today. Flavour-wise, mate, the flavour of this is very nice. I mean, it's Domino's pizza, so it's not like really awesome. But for Domino's pizza, mate, this is really awesome. It's got all those toppings on there, the Kalamata olives, the bacon, Italian sausage, pepperoni, pineapple, oh yes, capsicum and onions, mate. If only I'd got the anchovies on this, mate, I would be in absolute heaven. The garlic flavour on it's not too strong. You can sort of taste that it's there, but it's very faint in the background. This pizza weighs 3 times more than an average-sized burger too, so the feed of it, mate, you could feed 2 people with it. It looks good, it tastes good, and the price is great. So for that reason, this is getting a 10 out of 10. Mate, this is a great tasting pizza. It's a decent size, you can feed 2, and it's only $12. But let's not just take my word for it. Let's find out from the nose who knows.
Rollo. Come on, Rollo. Come and grab your Domino's pizza, see what you think. Oh, he's going for the toppings first. Oh, and then he's loving that crust. Oh, do you like the original crust best, Rollo? Oh, yes. Oh, boy, I think he really liked that.
Now, whenever they bring a new pizza out, it always seems to fail, doesn't it? But this pizza is one that I can see sticking on the menu forever and ever. Amen. But only time will tell. Anyway, that's all today. I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat some fast food from Domino's. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food